Alright, it's Nelson in Las Vegas with Key Marketing Network. Going to send out this really quick video to show you how to do segment videos. I'm not going to go into the whole thing, but I'm just going to give you the basics of how to create segments, okay? You notice here there's a whole bunch of segments that I've created. Once you've created a segment, you'll be able to actually click on these here on the left, and anything that you've updated will actually show up your subscribers that actually have that specific filter. Those subscribers will show up, okay? So we're just using additional notes. You can use any field, really. So what I mean by that is when you log into your Aweber, okay, you get your subscribers here. You know, this is your home page, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to subscribers, okay? And I'm just going to show you just one, for example. So you're going to expand this, right? You expand the contact and it gives you all these different filters, right? And of course, Aweber already gives you predefined filters that you can use, right? So you can kind of like search by email. Additional notes is a quick way that you can find out, you know, who signed up for ZNZ, for example. If you're receiving an email that somebody completed or signed up for ZNZ, you can put it in additional notes. So that's what we're using. So for example, I already created segments, right? So here, if you see, they're like ZNZ signups. These are all the people that have actually signed up for ZNZ. It gives you the display here, 105 subscribers, people that signed up and registered for ZNZ. Okay, not necessarily completed, but these are people that just registered, and these are kind of priority. Okay, so the way that you do that is when you're following up with your subscribers, or you wake up in the morning and you just kind of want to see who's signed up. You'll receive emails saying this person signed up for ZNZ, okay, and they didn't complete any offers. What you do is you just go ahead and look up that information, okay. So you know, like for example, if you go to status on Big Cash, you can actually right-click on their email, copy, okay, and then you can basically search for it here. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just show you real quick. Here, I'll show you. Here on the additional notes, we're using additional notes. So for example, this person signed up and registered with ZNZ, and they didn't complete their offers. Okay, so you just put that in there. You want to keep it consistent. And then what happens is you can filter additional notes, and you can say starts with. So this filter is actually starting with anything that has ZNZ indicated in the additional notes field. So what you do is you can basically save this. So if I do a search, right? See this right here, save as segment? Well, I already did it, so I named it ZNZ signups. So I typed in ZNZ signups. Okay? And then you click save it saves it. And then what happens is it's going to show up here on the left. So when you're clicking on these particular segments, anybody that you've updated or anybody new that you've typed in the additional notes, ZNZ sign up, or just ZNZ, you can put Big Cash, ZNZ, doesn't matter. It's going to filter those people. Okay, and you can send specific broadcasts to these people, or just simply call them, follow up with them. All right, and just really quick, you can also do filtering by phone number. Okay, so you can say contains or starts with, right? And you can put in like 702, for example. Starts with 702. It's going to pull up all the subscribers that have phone numbers, you know, starting with 702, which is Las Vegas. And of course, you can save this as Las Vegas. Okay, click that, and it saves it. Look, it shows up right here. All right, guys. Well, I hope that helped, and leave some comments, and talk to you soon.